put on a demonstration to show you the best of your United States Navy and Marine Corps. Are you ready for the Blue Angels? Oh, come on, everybody. We're going to do a lot better than that. Are you ready for the Blue Angels? The next voice you hear will be that of the narrator for the Blue Angels. He is from Wamego, Kansas. He is Lieutenant Brandon Hempler. It is with a great deal of pride, ladies and gentlemen, that I welcome to the MCAS Miramar Airshow, your United States Navy's Flight Demonstration Squadron, the Blue Angels!
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Your United States Navy Flight Demonstration Squadron takes pleasure in performing for you this, our 49th flight demonstration of the 2017 season. I'm Lieutenant Brandon Hempler, the narrator for the Blue Angels, so that you may see and take pride in the precise fashion in which your Navy and Marine Corps pilots are trained to fly. Now, direct your attention to the ramp before you. Observe the military manner in which the 6 demonstration pilots approach their aircraft and are saluted by their crew chiefs. Ladies and gentlemen, flying Blue Angel number 6, the opposing solo from Kennesaw, Georgia, Lieutenant Tyler Davies. Flying Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo from Atlanta, Georgia, Commander Frank Weiser. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot from McPherson, Kansas, Lieutenant Commander Lance Benson. Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman from Danville, California, Lieutenant Commander Nate Scott. Flying Blue Angel number 2, the right wingman from Fremont, California, Lieutenant Damon Cruz. Flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels from Los Altos, California, Captain Blue Angels taxi in tight formation, just as you will see them perform here this afternoon. This degree of precision has become trademark of the Blue Angels since first established 71 years ago. 17 officers and over 100 enlisted personnel comprise the Navy's Flight Demonstration Squadron. Pilots 1 through 4 fly in the diamond formation, displaying the precision flying required of Navy and Marine Corps aviators, while pilots 5 and 6 fly as solos, demonstrating the maximum performance capability of the aircraft. Once again, I'm Lieutenant Brandon Hempler from Wamego, Kansas, Blue Angel number 7 and the narrator for the flight demonstration, as well as the pilot for the key influencer and media personnel that we normally fly at each show site. Blue Angel number 8, Lieutenant Dave Stephanie from Birmingham, Alabama, is the squadron's naval flight officer and event coordinator. Commander Matt Patton from the Woodlands, Texas, serves as the squadron's executive officer. Lieutenant Sam Rose, our maintenance officer from White House, Texas, is responsible for the day when it aims to protect our aircraft flying. From Ocala, Florida, Lieutenant Flight Officer to the Water from Peter Mexico, Commander Flight Officer, from Long Rock, Colorado, our Public Affairs Officer, Bill White. Captain Bernanke calls smoke on, off brakes now. Burners ready now, and the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. As they pass before you, you will notice that the smoke is not visible while the engines are in afterburner. Precise low transition and pitch the nose up vertically at 5 times the force of gravity. Crossed with minimum separation, observance both pilots sustained 6 times the force of gravity to cross their aircraft over center point. miles per hour, they will perform a reversal turn back toward the flight line. You should be able to follow the individual smoke trails as all 4 pilots simultaneously converge on center point with maximum closure and minimum separation. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel Delta Breakout.
Flight Safety Observers Anthony Moreno from Tucson, Arizona, and Casey Morgan from Casanova, New York. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2017 Blue Angel Maintenance Crew. As they step away from the aircraft, I would like to take one final opportunity to pilots who have been watching perform here this afternoon.
start their engines, the pilots will simultaneously exit the aircraft on signal from Captain Bernacchi. It has been an honor and our pleasure to perform for you here in Miramar. This, our 49th flight demonstration of the 2017 season. Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo from Atlanta, Georgia, Commander Frank Weiser. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot from McPherson, Kansas, Lieutenant Commander Lance Benson. Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman from Danville, California, Lieutenant Commander Nate Scott. Flying Blue Angel number 2, the right wingman from Fremont, California, Lieutenant Damon Cruz. Flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels from Los Altos, California, Captain Ryan Bernacchi. Ladies and gentlemen, representing your United States Navy and Marine Corps, the Blue Angels 2017.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it all the way up and down for the line for the Blue Angels. And a nice round of applause to the narrator, Lieutenant Brandon Hempler. We've got a birthday on the team today. It is Tyler Davies' birthday, number 6.